Hi, I'm Natalie, and as a professional chef, one of my favorite things to do is teach people new recipes with foods they may not know about. Like this, jicama. I know fries are a staple for many on a low-protein diet. Unfortunately, potatoes aren't super low in protein, so depending on your portion size, the protein can add up. Today, I'm going to make fries using jicama, a lower protein alternative to potatoes. Jicama is a crunchy, slightly sweet root vegetable from Mexico, and it's available at most local markets. It's a great option for people on a low-protein diet who love fries. So let's get started. French fries for us adults and alphabet fries for the kids. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to cut your jicama. I sliced off the edges and then I peeled around the outside and sliced them into these rounds. That's the first step. From there, I made the French fries over here. And with these rounds, this is where we're gonna do our alphabet shapes. So I love this trick, using this for kids, and they can even get in the kitchen with you. They'll have a lot of fun making these shapes themselves. They can create their own words. And it's super simple. You put your cookie cutter right into it. It's very easy. And out comes your letter. They can spell their name, you can get creative with it, you can use other shapes if you want. Really, there's no rules. All right, so from here, we're gonna put our jicama into a pot of boiling water. And we're gonna boil this for about 8 minutes. So carefully drop them into the water. And put our fries in, very carefully as well, because this water is boiling. So after we put them in the boiling water, we'll leave them for 8 minutes until softened. Okay, so we're gonna turn the heat off. It's been 8 minutes, and we're gonna take this over to the sink to drain. Pour carefully away from your face. So an alternative to boiling the jicama is that you can also put it in the microwave for about 15 minutes. Once you drain the water, we're gonna add it to the bowl to season it. We're gonna add our olive oil. We have some garlic powder. It gives it nice flavor, and some paprika. That's gonna help give it that nice golden brown color. We'll stir that all up. Add a little salt to taste. And then we're ready to put them on our sheet tray and into the oven. So we'll dump these out on the tray and spread them out. Okay, so you want to spread them out on your tray in a single layer. Make sure they're not overlapping. Then we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. So I have in here a tray that I've already finished. And now for the best part, to taste them. Whew, they're a little hot, but can't wait. So good, delicious. For more low-protein recipes and tips, check out nutritionmetabolics.com.